2007 Honda Accord. On this car, the customer complained this car shut down several times while he was driving. It was a hot day on, and the car was stall, shake, and it shut down on him on about 20 times, he said. And then the check engine light went off. So to resolve this issue, first of all, what we did was we scanned the car even though the check engine light was off, but the codes in memory was ECM power loss. I'm gonna show you exactly what the code I pulled out, but we already scanned this car. We got the code P0685. This is ECM circuit malfunction, which means the ECM lost power for some reason. And we backtracked the problem, and we checked the wiring diagram, and the common problem for that is the main relay. I'm gonna open this door and we're gonna go inside. I have taken off these panels that are hanging on the seat, by the seat, and on the passenger side seat. So this is all down here. So once you open that door, you go down here, you're gonna see a fuse box. Let me get my light in proper place. Alright, so this is the fuse box. There's relays here. You see these two brown looking relays? This is the main ECU relay. So this relay is bad. We're gonna replace this relay and this relay. At the same time, while we're here, we're gonna replace this fuel pump relay, and we're gonna put something original we ordered it from the dealer. It should be here today, and we'll put those two in. This is the main F1 relay. I don't know if you can see it there, but right here it says F1 relay, and this is IG ignition relay, and this is a fuel pump relay. So these are the three main relays. We're gonna change all three. These rest of them are just normal relays. I really didn't look into it. Those are four, but those are the main relays. So these are the two main. This is the problem. And then over here, up here, if you ever come across this gray color relay down here, is a flasher. This one's a flasher right here. Code P068 ECM PCM internal circuit malfunction. So if you go onto my computer here, we're gonna see it's referring to the PGM F1 main relay. Okay, so it also gives you a small diagram, and if you know how to read a diagram, you would have to follow this F1 main relay diagram, which gives power to the ECM. And this is what the problem is. So since I said if you're gonna change the ignition relay, it's all related, so we're gonna change. That's why we're gonna change both relays, the ignition relay main, and while we was at it, we're gonna change the fuel pump relay. So once we get the pieces, we're gonna replace them, reset the light, even though the light's not on, but we're gonna reset everything, and then let the car go out, test drive it for a little bit, and that should take care of that issue.